channel, Araceli Chan DIY. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I would love to invite you to stay and become a part of this DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys super easy Dollar Tree DIYs for your ottoman. For my ottoman, I decided to make a slip cover for it, and I will show you guys how I made that. Before I get on to the DIYs, I do want to thank my smart blinds for sponsoring this video. So I got my smart blinds about a week ago and I installed them over the weekend, and I did have a couple little struggles here and there just because my window is really big and I actually had to get two separate blinds, but they look amazing and they are really smart because you can actually control them right from your phone. I will show you guys a little bit of the install process towards the end of the video. On top of sponsoring today's video, my smart blinds is also going to be giving away a $100 gift card to their website, so make sure you guys enter. All you have to do is follow my smart blinds on Instagram. In the comments down below, make sure you guys leave your Instagram handle and follow them, and my smart blinds will choose a winner and they will contact you when you win. For my ottoman slipcover, I used some fabric from Joann's that I purchased from the clearance racks. I don't remember exactly how much this was, but it was really inexpensive. I think total I may have paid like $10 or $15 for it, and I just chose one that was nice and thick. As you can see, I'm not going to be using anything to measure it out. I'm just going to use the shape of the ottoman to start cutting out my fabric. So folding it over, I went ahead and cut along that crease, and then that piece of fabric was actually long enough to cover the side of the ottoman. Milani Chan always wants to help me out. I didn't do any sewing at the bottom, I just left it how it is. As you can see, there's like a little distress part towards the bottom that already has a pre-made stitch. So that's how I'm going to leave it towards the bottom of the slipcover. And right there, I'm just basically overlapping my side pieces of fabric and then cutting along. So on each corner, I went ahead and just pinned it down and sewed away. And I did this for each corner of the ottoman slipcover, obviously.
You don't have to be smart. No need to dress up for me to see that you're...
Once all four pieces were sewn together, I went ahead and put it the right way onto the ottoman, and just to make sure it fit, and then I flipped it inside out or outside in again, and then I put the top cover and pinned it down, and right along the edges I did cut any excess fabric and just went along and sewed away again.
There's no use in looking back, going back, wishing back. Cutting grass and chopping wood can be romantic. Sipping coffee under the apple tree, gentle, manly. Well, you're a good man, quite the best man, a real fine man. When the wind blows and the windows are closing, you let the world know that what has been has been.
Okay, so for this one, you're going to be needing two of these frames. And as you can see, I already took the inside part out of this. All I did was remove this little clip back here and then just pressed it out. So this one's going to be just the hollow frame, and this one's going to stay like this. 4 square mirrors. I will also use a little bit of this nautical rope and some flowers. You can use whatever you want. These I already had. These are from Joann's that I bought on clearance a long time ago, so I'm just going to use these.
You let the world know that what has been, and there's no use looking back, going
So I totally forgot I had to account for putting this frame over the mirror. And obviously it's not going to fit over this because this is over the frame. So what I did was just peeled it off a little bit and then tucked it through the cracks in the mirror. So, okay, so this is what I did. I unpeeled it and then I'm just threading it through that crack like this. You can cut it, but it kind of unravels, so whatever way works best for you, that's what I would do. But for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Okay, so for this one, we're gonna do both of these trays together. And you can use just one of them, but to make it sturdier and not so like flimsy, I'm gonna go ahead and double up. And I'm just gonna hot glue these together. I will also be using just a strip of nautical rope, and I'm gonna take it apart and wrap the handles. So I got my smart blinds delivered straight to my door. I didn't have to go anywhere to purchase them. I did get 2 panels because of the size of my window. Each panel does come with a solar charger for the automation kit, also with the tilt one so you can manually open and close your blinds, and a magnetic valance that clicks right on top of the blinds to give it a cleaner look. These are custom fit to any window, and again, because I did have to get 2 of them, I had to get the installation kit that you actually have to screw in. If you have a smaller window, you can actually get an installation kit that requires no tools at all, but for this one, we're gonna have to go ahead and get our drill out so we can put all of our stuff up. These are a little bit heavy, so I did need my husband's help for this part. So while he held it up, I just went ahead and marked where we were going to place the brackets. And I marked them. He went ahead and drilled in the holes and also screwed them in there. And of course, look at him. He loves me. He doesn't want me to fall.
All the days that passed had nowhere to go. I watched them slip up.
Before hanging up my blinds, I went ahead and hooked my solar panel onto the back of the blinds, and then once they were hooked on there, I went ahead and plugged them in to the automation kit. So I have to make sure that I turn the automation kit to on to make sure that the blinds work. If you don't want to buy the full set of blinds, you can just buy the automation kit by itself for your current blinds, and you can make your blinds smart as well.
Or a pouring rain, with a look out through the window pane, where the sun will shine again. Time is moving still.
So after you have have them all set up, you can go ahead and download my Smart Blinds app and start setting up your features onto your blinds. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and name this my living room, and I'm going to connect my blinds. So I'm just going to wait for it to find it, and I'm going to name the blind that I'm going to be controlling with it. So I have a left blind and a right blind. So what's really cool about these blinds is that it actually regulates the temperature in your room, and you can also go in there and set up times or events of when you want your blinds to open and close on their own without you having to do anything. So you can just go right on your phone and set up the time and you are all set. Also, what you can do is go in individually to each blind and open and close them, or you can just go to the very front and where it says living room, you have your 2 blinds where you can just hit open or close, and you don't have to go into each individual blind. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love it if you left me a thumbs up. Those really help me out, I promise you, and they help me continue doing what I love and sharing what I love with you guys. Also, don't forget to enter that giveaway for my Smart Blinds $100 gift card, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!